Alright, so what's up, lovely people? Village Boy here, and I'm here with this Oraimo Smart Clipper, and this is chargeable. And this is my first time having it in my palm, right? But the reviews that I've seen so far on social media, I can't like trust this kind of device, man. I'm pretty sure that for what I've ordered, that is the exact thing I'm going to be seeing in this box. This is a fresh one, and the box I've not opened it yet. I will then cut the papers to open it to reveal it and see what we got inside this Oraimo. Well, we got a few things that is written some text on it. We have the professional. This is professional and powerful with 4 guided combs. It has that, and we have this is super, super powerful motor, designed for all types of hair. So any type of hair is able to cut it. We have ultra durable blades. Ultra meaning there's extremely professional precision. We have smart digital display, and this one has covered it, right? And we have this is Oraimo Authentication Center. So you can see with this one, which shows that this is original product that I'm having right here. That is from Oraimo, straight up from Oraimo. We have 365 days warranty, so I could do you know what warranty is all about, right? So this is Oraimo. Let's see what we got here and what is inside this box as it's been written on the box right here. And this is Village Boy with the Village Boy brand and Chafa Kagidigba. So this is my first time. Actually, I'm not a barber, but I'm going to be using this as a starter right, as a starter to kickstart my journey in barbering. But I'm going to be testing it on my head, so there's no big deal about that. Alright, so let's do the unboxing right now. So guys, you have this. This. Yeah, this one to oil. Let me check. Four of them. This one's the guided comb. 4. And 4 of them. And this one, I'm trying to bring it out. And the charger. We have the charger. About this, we have brush, and you can use to clean it. Alright. Hai cô. Má bẹ̀rù. Ó yí bọ́ mi fẹ́ kà mí ní. Record, yeah.